Today we'll start with our next topic, that is AIDS. AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. The word stand for acquired means what we have acquired after birth. Immune means immunity. Deficiency means now that acquired immunity that we acquired after birth, that we get after birth, become deficient to fight with the organism. And syndromes means that are multiplicity symptoms that were shown in our body due to this suppression of the disease, and that's deal with AIDS. Now if we go to the historical background of AIDS, in 1981 it was first observed in USA in a men, and after that in 1961 it was first observed in India, in Chennai, in the prostitute which is present in some women prostitute which are in Chennai. So it was observed in 1986 in Chennai. Now if we talk about this disease, this was caused by a virus that is known as HIV, that is human immunovirus. Human immunovirus is the virus that will, or human immunodeficiency virus means this virus causes deficiency of immune system in human being. That's why the virus is known as human immunodeficiency virus. And this virus is having RNA as a genetic material. So it is a retrovirus that causes the disease. Retrovirus means they contain RNA as their genetic material, and these HIV virus is going to infect two cell of our body, that is two main immunological cell of our body. The first is the macrophage. Macrophages get infected, and other that was infected, that was T cells. And in this also it is prescribed that T helper cell is going to be affected by the attack of this virus. So T cell, what is the work of T cell? You will know that T cell stimulate antibody production by B cell. So these the result in loss of natural deficiency against the virus, and so the name is given as retrovirus. So the two cell which that affects is macrophage and helper T cell. These two cell are get affected by this virus. Now if we deal with the transmission, how the AIDS get transmitted. So the AIDS get transmitted by the following method. The first method of transmission of AIDS, that actually AIDS is transmitted only by contact of infection, when we'll come in contact or when we'll come in the contact of fluid of infected person. If some fluid is going to enter in our body from that infected person, then we are able to infect. So the first is by unprotected sex. If we are doing unprotected cell, or we have a multiplicity partner for sex activity, then we are at high risk of infection. The second by which we are get infected is by contaminated needles or by contaminated syringe. This is the other cause of infection, and generally you saw that drug addicts, one person is injecting the drug into his body, and the same needle or the same syringe was used by the other person also. So this also cause the transmission. So first is unprotected sex, and second is the infected needle or infected syringe. then will also get infected by a infected razor. That is when the person go for shaving and the barber shaves, if before that some infected person come and that the same blade is used by the barber to in a shaving of that person, if some blood or something was stick to that, then if we have also a cut on during the shaving, then the virus will transfer from that blade to our body also. So the third method is by the infected razor. The next thing that will be the cause of infection is by blood transfusion. That if someone get the blood of an infected person, then also it is cause of transfer of AIDS disease. The next is organ transplantation. Organ transplantation also lead to the transport of or the transmission of AIDS from one person to another. The next is by the from mother to its baby also. Sixth is from mother to baby. Then also the babies have a chance to get infected with the disease, that is with the AIDS. So these are the method by which the AIDS can be transmitted from one person to another person, that is by blood transfusion, by organ transplantation, by infected syringe or needle, by the infected razor, by the from placenta, that is from placenta to from mother to the baby. These are the method by which the